In this video, I'm going to go over why I am so certain, very, very certain that a spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF is coming and probably coming very soon. Plus, I'm going to go over the new Binance CEO, and I'm going to show you a picture of him, and you have to tell me, leave a comment below what you think of this guy after I show you this photo. But first, I'm going to go over some economic news in the US. Now, this tweet is coming from Ben Rickard. If you don't know who he is one of the stars in The Big Short. He says, CEOs at JP Morgan, BlackRock, Amazon, Apple, and now Facebook are dumping large amounts of shares in their own companies. I think, what was it, Zuckerberg? Or no, Bezos from Amazon, he sold $1 billion worth of his own shares just recently. Now, China is dumping US treasuries at the fastest rate in 3 years, while Japanese are offloading US corporate bonds at the fastest pace in recorded history. So I would like to know from my audience what you think of this. What I think of this is that the US is shooting themselves in the foot. I think a lot of people are going to be moving overseas. I think we are getting ready to see the US pretty much lock itself in on itself, and especially the economy over there. I think they're going to be destroying their own economy, essentially, the government is. And as you can also see that through Binance, what is happening in the free market as well, and especially with crypto. They do not want crypto. They want to have control of everything, and I think that's going to hurt them very badly. Speaking about CZ, this is pretty sad, actually. U.S. prosecutors don't want CZ to leave the U.S. and filed a motion to overturn a judge's ruling to allow him to return to the UAE before his sentencing in February. It's interesting that his sentencing is in February, considering that SBF's sentencing is in March. Wow, they just want to clear this stuff fast. And a couple things about Binance that they are, using it as an excuse to really punish him, which I think is pretty sick. They say that Binance allowed ISIS, Al-Qaeda, and the big H, I can't say the word, but to transact on his platform. And also CZ is facing 18 months in prison as part of his plea deal with the United States government. And also CZ is being released from custody on a $175 million bond. That is so much money. Okay, now going back to CZ's replacement as CEO of Binance, guess who it is? Who is Richard Ting? Who is this guy? Here, check out this wonderful, handsome photo of this man. So let me know what you think of this guy. Do you think he's for freedom or against it? Let me know. Now we also have JP Morgan says that Binance settlement is positive as it eliminates potential systemic risk from hypothetical collapse. Okay, right. Remember my video yesterday when I went over how many fines the banking system has gotten? I think it was $380 billion in fines because they are literally ripping people off left and right, and they can't help themselves, but they're blaming Binance and saying, no, he's a bad guy. Takes one to know one. Now, lastly, we have the SEC commissioner saying this. There's no reason for us to stand in the way of a spot Bitcoin ETF. Yes, this is Hester Pierce. Yes, this is Hester Pierce, crypto mom. She is pretty much laying out the groundwork. This is going to pass. I don't care what people say. And any dip, in my opinion, is for buying. And if you want to know what we are buying, I would definitely suggest you checking out our CT Club at learningcrypto.com. So if you want to see what our portfolio looks like and market updates, you want to hear my thoughts on the market, please sign up. Anyways, please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Happy Thanksgiving.